This is Dr. Carroll, and this is another video in the list series. This video is about mutability. So unlike strings, lists are mutable. So let's look at strings. So if we had a string with the alphabet, we're not allowed to change an individual character directly with indexing into that string. That's going to produce an error, and we're going to get a runtime error, and it's going to be bad. So with lists, though, let's say we had a fruit list: mango, spondeus mobin, banana, kiwi. Notice we can assign directly into that list. We can replace kiwi with pear and display it. As illustrated here, let's see it. Sure enough, we have mango, spondeus mobin, banana, and pear. Now, one thing we need to watch out for is what we can't do is we can't just change whatever we want. The index we specify needs to be in that list. So if we tried to execute this, it's going to say, hey, list assignment index is out of range. And so we need to watch out for that we can't go beyond. It's called out of bounds. We can't go beyond the indices in the list, but otherwise we can mutate, we can change the elements of the list. That's it for this video. Check out my other videos in the list series.